Hello，大家好，我係 Coir 允晴，Welcome to my channel，歡迎嚟到我嘅頻道啊！我哋今日要上船啊，咁我哋會由 Liverpool Station 坐火車去到 Southampton Station，大概個零鐘就會到噶啦。咁我哋都想食個烏冬先，咁但係呢間烏冬店咧一路都冇開嘅。咁我哋而家先聽一聽車長嘅廣播，然後我哋再繼續啊。
Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard this South Western Railway service down towards Weymouth. We're going to be stopping at Woking, Basingstoke, Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central, Brockenhurst, Bournemouth. At Bournemouth, we're going to go through the division process with the rear 5 coaches, that is coaches 6, 7. 落咗火車之後，一出去就會見到個的士站㗎啦。咁但係有好多人排緊隊，所以我同鵬鵬都係行過去 Cruise Terminal。咁大概15分鐘咧就會到㗎啦，都好容易揾嘅。咁我哋今次坐咧係 Celebrity 嘅 Apex 8晚西班牙同葡萄牙嘅旅程。咁我哋一上到船咧就行一行啦，睇下個早餐區。咁全日咧就有 pizza 啦同埋 burger 嘅供應。鵬鵬咧就先食咗個 burger 先，咁之後咧，我哋個 dinner 就係6點鐘開始嘅。好啦，我哋今日就講到呢度，下次再同大家見面啦，拜拜。